Day 18. Hi guys! Good morning! So for today's video, gagawin natin ang morning regimen. So let's start! Ngayon, mag-apply na ako ng Maxi Peel Sunblock Cream. Kailangan natin mag-apply ng sunblock cream 30 minutes before going out para ma-absorb na ng face natin yung sunblock. So ako kasi later aalis ako. So kailangan talagang i-apply ko na. So yan. Sobrang importante na maglagay tayo ng Maxi Peel Sunblock Cream kahit nasa loob tayo ng bahay. Kasi may chance pa rin tayo na magkaroon ng exposure sa iba't ibang UV rays, like UVA and UVB, sa skin natin na hindi natin namamalayan. May trivia lang ako for this morning about UVA and UVB. UVA or ultraviolet A is a type of ultraviolet ray from the sun that is present sa buong maghapon. So UVA penetrates the deeper layer of our skin, causing tanning or skin darkening. So UVB naman or ultraviolet B is a type of ultraviolet ray that is strongest between 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. So UVB damages the topmost layer of our skin na nagkakos naman ng sunburn. Buti na lang talaga meron tayong Maxi Peel Sunblock Cream that can surely protect our skin from UVA and UVB rays. So girls, make sure na makakapag-reapply tayo ng sunblock cream every 5 hours, okay? Reminder, yung unang Hirit interview ko, which will come out this coming Wednesday, April 20, 2016. So sana panoorin nyo po and supportahan nyo po ako. So guys, syempre to have a good interview, mapa-TV man yan or job interview, kailangan malakas yung loob natin, may tiwala tayo sa sarili, na masasagot natin yung questions clearly and ipakita natin kung sino talaga tayo, and much better kung pimple-free tayo and looking healthy ang face natin. Maraming salamat sa love and support, and God bless us and have a beautiful day. Kasing ganda natin.